Okay, the last thing that I wanted to mention when it comes to conversions is the molar mass of compounds. Now, so far I've only talked about molar mass of elements, and you've only had to use the molar mass of elements in the conversion problems where you can go straight to the periodic table. But what if I ask you how many grams are in 3.2 moles of water? So again, you set it up so that you've got 3.2 moles on one side and you've got grams of water on the other side, and then I leave room for my conversion factor. However, even though I know that 1 mole of water goes on the bottom and grams go on the top, there is no grams on the periodic table. So if I open up the periodic table, water is not on the periodic table. So how is it that I'm going to be able to calculate the mass of water if water's not on the periodic table? Well, here's how you calculate it. So you take the chemical formula and you're just going to calculate the mass of the whole thing based on how many atoms of each element are in the compound. So for example, hydrogen, there's 2 atoms in the compound. Each atom is 1.0079, I'm just going to call that 1.008 grams per mole. So that's 2.016 grams per mole for hydrogen. And then oxygen, there's only 1 atom. And if I go back to the periodic table and I click on oxygen, at the bottom, you see 15.999, which becomes 16, set 16 grams per mole. So altogether I have 18.016. Wait a minute. Okay. Getting a little slap happy with my pen. Okay, so 18.016 grams per mole of water. So you just add together all of the elements in the compounds. Then you put 18.016 up here, and then you can go ahead and cancel the moles just like we did earlier. Then you get out your calculator, which is here. Blarg. Nope, there we go. Here, that's complicated. All right. So we have 3.2 times 18.016, and I have 57.65. Come on, move. There we go. 57.65 grams of water. So again, if you have any formula like C6H12O6, and it's asking about anything about grams, or grams per mole, you're going to add C times 6 plus H times 12 plus O times 6. So carbon is 12.01, hydrogen, and oxygen 16. And you add all of those in your calculator. And we need brackets here. So I've got 12.01 times 6 plus 1.008 times 12 plus 16 times 6. Oh, that wasn't right. That wasn't right. 16 times 6. And I get 180.16 grams per mole for glucose. So that's it. You just add together all of the molar masses of the atoms that are in the compound.